Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your host Sophia. Today I'm going to make a drumstick leaf stir fry. Very healthy and full of flavor. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
I separated the leaves from the stems and rinsed them. These are the tempering ingredients. 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies, adjust your taste, a pinch of asafoetida and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 1 big onion. Chop them up and set it aside. In a big pan, add oil over high heat. Today I'm using grapeseed oil. Once the oil is hot, add all the tempering ingredients one by one. First I'm adding mustard seeds and wait till it splits. A pinch of asafoetida, cumin seeds, and finally red chilies. Add chopped onions and fry for 2 minutes. Add garlic and fry for another 1 minute. Add 1/2 tomato. I'm using frozen tomato from a garden. Fry for a minute or two. Add turmeric powder and mix it well. Add drumstick leaves and mix it well. Add salt to taste. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cover it and cook on medium-low for 5 to 6 minutes. It's been almost 6 minutes. Looks like it's done. Mix it well. Add the shredded coconut and mix it well again. It's very healthy and very tasty too. It came out very well. You can eat this with any kind of rice.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye.